Where can I find the zip codes for different regions in India?
Hello and welcome to this informational guide. Today, we will be diving into the topic of how to find the zip codes for different regions in India. Zip codes, also known as postal codes or PIN codes in India, are essential for sending letters, packages, or when trying to pinpoint a location on a map.
What is a zip code in India?
In India, a zip code is typically referred to as a PIN code. PIN stands for Postal Index Number, a coding system developed by the Indian Postal Service to simplify the sorting of mail. The PIN code is a 6-digit number that signifies a particular region in the country.
How is the Indian PIN code structured?
Understanding the structure of the Indian PIN code system is beneficial when you're trying to locate a particular area. The first digit of the PIN code signifies the region. The second digit represents the sub-region, and the third digit signifies the sorting district. The last 3 digits are for the individual post offices within the district.
How can I find the PIN code for a specific region in India?
You can easily find the PIN codes for different regions in India through the following method. 1. Visit the official India Post website. The official India Post website has a detailed, searchable database of all PIN codes in the country. 2. Use the search function. On the website, there is a search function where you can input the name of the city, district, or state for which you want to find the PIN code. This will generate a list of possible matches, allowing you to select the most accurate option. 3. Check the results. After you've input your search, the website will display the PIN code for the area you specified, as well as other relevant information like the post office name and district. Please note, to maintain the quality of the guide, no links are provided. However, the India Post website can be found easily by doing a simple internet search.
Are there any other ways to find a PIN code?
Yes, there are other ways too. Online maps. Services like Google Maps often include the PIN code in the information about a specific location. Local post office. Your local post office can also provide PIN codes. So, that wraps up our guide on how to find zip codes or PIN codes for different regions in India. We hope that this information helps you to quickly and easily find the postal information you need. Thanks for tuning in, and happy mailing!